Hi, I'm Izzy, routing expert at Byway. In this series, we're sharing all of our advice, tips and tricks for DIYing your own slow travel trip. See below for the full series. And of course, if you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book your tickets and hotels, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. You can also find our full blog series linked below for a more in-depth guide. We hope you find this useful. Let's get into it. Picture this, you're on a platform in northern Italy, your connecting train has just been cancelled and the departure board is no help at all. I've been there. Here's how to get back on track. If it's a day train, check the operator's website for the same route. If you're already at the station, it's probably best to skip looking online and go straight to asking the staff. They'll probably know what's running before any of the websites do and will be happy to help and assist you there and then. And also they can often rebook you a new ticket there on the spot. If it's a ferry, you can check the website Direct Ferries for other operators that might be running the same crossing. If nothing lines up, you might also be able to get there overland, perhaps with a sleeper train and an overnight stay on the way. Before you rebook your new plan of travel, it's best to take a step back from the train that isn't running anymore. Think broadly, like Milan to Paris rather than the Milan to Zurich train that no longer runs. Sometimes a good-looking alternative on Trainline or Rail Europe isn't actually bookable because the websites can lag. So make sure that you're clicking through and just checking that it's bookable before you reorganize your whole day around it. If nothing works, just stay where you are. An extra night somewhere you were already enjoying isn't the worst outcome. One more lunch, one more walk, one more museum that you ran out of time for. If you book with Byway, our emergency team is on hand 24/7 over WhatsApp and the emergency phone line, and we'll find you a new route. This is one part of a 10-part video series on how to DIY slow travel. See below for the full series. And of course, if you'd rather not untangle the web of reservations yourself, Byway can take the whole trip off your hands. We'll build your route, book your tickets and hotels, and stay on hand throughout your trip in case anything needs replanning. Thanks for watching and happy planning!